I got the pole. Put him in your net, baby. Where you at? Get in there. Should I wheel him? Get him, baby. Good job. Go on and get him. Quit being scared. Should I start wheeling? You gonna let him die? He looking you dead in your eyes. Yeah, okay, got your ass. Baby, should I reel him up? Babe. Should I reel him? I can reel it a little bit. You done had him in there and out of there 20 times. Take your time. You don't let my nigga die. Baby. Okay, come on. Turn the net over. Okay. Take your time. Please take your time.
This is eater-sized catfish right here.
You gonna save it for your kids' grandma?
Huh?
You gonna save it for your kids' grandma?
I don't know. Reel it in.
Let's stuck to that. Baby, be careful. Good job. Our first fish at our first spot. Don't let that nigga flip on me.
The weight came off.
What weight?
I had a weight tag on there.
He probably swallowed that bitch too. He fat as fuck. I don't think they want him. He chunky. Look at you.
It's a nice catch right there.
Hold it up again.
Wait, I want you to take a picture and get him off the hook.
I'm on video right now, but I'm taking pictures within the video. He ain't gonna let you die. I need to hurry up.
Be out the water for hours.
We did it, our first catch. I'm gonna put this blunt down. We're gonna have the teamwork on these goddamn rocks.
Weight came out.
That nigga swallowed it.
You swallowed no damn weight, girl. Biting these clippers. I don't know why my fish grippers.
That nigga got his mouth closed tight.
Yeah, my fish grippers ain't working.
Good job.
Over here. Take my picture.
Good job. You out of breath. Sweat like a motherfucker. You look, y'all. Look at it. That nigga sweat like a big nigga. I'm proud of you, baby.
It ain't the one I was looking for.
You got one, though.
Can we keep him?
I don't know. I don't eat that stuff. Where we gonna put it in? He said, hell no, bitch, put me back. Oh, on the rocks. That nigga did.
Damn weight came out.
Good job, baby.